Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to get dark mode on your Android phone on Snapchat. Okay, so I'm gonna not gonna show you that you have to send an email on support. I'm gonna directly show you that how you can actually get dark mode on your Snapchat account. Okay, so what you need to do first is click on the settings option. So what you need to do first is open up your Snapchat app and go to your profile. After that, you have to click on the settings option right here. Then what you need to do is just scroll down and find the option app appearance. So please make sure watch the full video and leave a like on this video if it works, and leave a comment if it not works. I will help out you. Okay, so what you need to do is click on app appearance. After that, you have to click on you this will be defaulted by always light. You have to click on this always dark option right here. After that, here click on the button register now. It will be dark mode like that. Okay, so this is how you can get dark mode on your Snapchat. This is the legal way and this is the easiest way on Snapchat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.